Okay, this is my third video today, but I haven't posted any. Just like every day. I make a lot of videos and I don't post them. But I saw a very interesting, perfectly round, shiny black sphere. And I've been wanting to show one of those. I don't, like your body does not produce things like this as far as I know. It looks like when you used to break the mercury bottle. Oh, and yeah, there it is. I should say all the things that I said in the other video that I never posted, but I don't know if I'll remember. And yeah, there's that shiny black ball. I ordered some of those detox foot pads. I'll let you guys know how that works out. I mean, what is that thing? I'm going to try to get it perfect. Is that as bright as it'll go? Let's see if this is as bright as it'll go. Now let's try to get that perfectly in focus. Where'd it go? As always, the problem with being really zoomed in is when you've lost what you're looking for. It's hard to find it again. There's some weird shit under my nails today anyways. And all that just came off like a few seconds ago from scratching my face. And I had a bath just about 3 or 4 hours ago. Oh my god. Some seriously weird shit. There's a little blue crystal back there, a little white crystal. What happened to the sphere? The little black sphere I was just looking at. Crap, man. Didn't like me talking about it, huh? Oh, there it is. Of course, it's reflecting the light. I mean, it looks kind of like it's got like a cat eye thing going on in there. I keep losing it. I should be able to mark where it is by the other things around it. I don't know. I'm about to just wrap this up because this shit is just too weird. And I record a video constantly. Well, not constantly, but over and over again in a day. I'll make videos and then I don't post them, and then my alarm goes off telling me to take some kind of a supplement. Oh, I paused it. So I read somewhere earlier today that you only need a 20-time magnification to see a mite, a skin mite. And I don't think that can't possibly be true. Because I'd be seeing things all over me because everybody has skin mites, and I'm using a better than that magnification right now. And we never see anything crawling around. We just see weird fibers and black dots and crap. Oh, so earlier, that's my pulse. Wow, that's how much my blood is pulsing through there right now. Huh. I don't know which hand's causing that to happen, the one that's holding it or the other one. Anyway, I was really sick today. It might be because I ate some stuff like gluten. Oh, there's another little sphere. This is a different fingernail. It's my ring finger. There's little spheres like mercury or weird. See, and that looks like a Demodex. A dead one. Because, if you take the diatomaceous earth, it'll kill them. It dries them out. And they can't survive. The problem is, you feel weird drinking dirt every day. Oh, so earlier I got a Q-tip out. That's what I keep meaning to talk about. And there were fibers moving on it before I ever put it in my ear. So there's something weird going on. Got these weird moving fibers living on your GMO cotton products, which would explain also why I can't wear cotton anymore. Even though I used to wear organic cotton and old cotton, thrift store shirts and stuff, I now choose synthetics as often as possible because wearing cotton causes me to itch and gives me a lot of pain. And this would explain why it's somehow found a way to use the cotton. I'm trying to find out. My thumb hurts real bad. So I was trying to see if there was a little cut and a little black thing. Oh, I've got some things on the backs of our nails. As usual. I got so much weird shit going on. So yeah, one night I was talking about all the different things you might find, and I was talking about the black shiny fibers. And the weirdest part is when they turn towards you when you're looking at them, and they have these things that look kind of like a mouth that opens a little bit. You don't see it move, but it's already open when it looks towards your camera, and that's pretty freaky, man. And there's white ones that have mouths that look like lamprey eels or something. They look like they have fiber optics all in there. So many different things associated with this. So yeah, today, I don't know, it must have been something I ate, but I was really sick. I got where I just couldn't even move or do anything, and I fell asleep for a little bit. When I woke up, I had a very familiar, horrible pain on the top of my head. My sinuses were popping and they hurt. My nose actually hurt, like physically, not just on, I can't, like if you touched it, it hurt. My ears were hurting. So when I woke up in that kind of pain, I took a little bit of baby aspirin because I do keep some on my hand because I get really bad migraines at times, and I'm pretty sure it's related to something that I eat, and I've gotten a lot better by limiting certain foods which are known to trigger migraines. But when I get one, I need something. I mean, I've been so bad off, I thought about having somebody take me to the emergency room, and I don't even use allopathic medicine, so that's telling me something. I was hurting so badly that I had to call my ex-husband at 3 o'clock in the morning. He had to call in sick to work that day, but he had to come over and be with me and the girls because I thought I was going to die. I'd never been in that kind of pain before. Now, I do think eggs might be related to that because I'm obviously very sensitive with eggs. And I did eat a half of a cupcake on Sunday afternoon. At about noon, I had a half a cupcake. And I think that might be what happened to me. I also ate pizza from Domino's. Anyhow, I've been taking my supplements really good for the last 2 days because this shit hurts if you don't take them. And you feel okay for like 24 hours. You can be like, oh yeah, it's okay, I don't have to take that. It's alright, I can skip it. And then somewhere around the 30th hour or whatever, I don't know, I never measured it. But at some point in time, you pay for not taking the diatomaceous earth or the 6-oil cure or the intestinal edge. Those are the 3 things I take without fail every day. Because if I don't take them, it's going to hurt. And when I remember, or if my stomach's ever in the right frame of reference, I'll take a probiotic or some garlic or some GSE or, vitamin B12. Anything from my list of stuff that I know I need to be taken. Yeah. So anyhow, I made a long video earlier and never posted. Though the first one I made earlier, I was talking for 10 minutes and then realized I wasn't recording. That one just moved out of the way of the camera. What the hell was that? Might have been snapping back from the camera housing moving over it. I've had weird colored hairs. Like, that one almost looks like it could be one. Some of the things under my fingernails have looked like, boy, for some reason it's making me think the words a DNA marker kit. There's little slats. This is not one of those. But there'll be tiny little bars going down them. And it looks like it's a read of my DNA or something. I don't know. So I had my brother do one of those DNA test kits because I didn't want to do the spit thing. I didn't want to send him my DNA. So I asked my family and he said he'd do it. And them things don't tell you anything. At least ours didn't. It said we're from England and Ireland, which I pretty much already knew based on the fact that my daddy had reddish hair and we're, white skinned. Yeah, that one hurts. I can't. I'm just going to have to scratch at that. Alright, well, I have no idea what I've talked about and not talked about, but I'm going to stop now. If it'll let me.